Welcome everyone, my incredible friends. Today we are going to read short story, The Fox and the Crane. So don't forget to subscribe and let's go. The Fox and the Crane. Once a fox and a crane became friends. One day the fox invited the crane for dinner at his house. The crane was happy to receive the invitation and agreed readily. When she went over, the fox welcomed the crane inside. They sat together and talked, and soon it was time for dinner. When the fox came out of the kitchen, he carried 2 flat dishes with the soup. He served and sat down to enjoy the soup. The crane couldn't drink the soup because of its long beak. This irritated the crane, but it greatly amused the fox. He lapped up his own soup and kept looking at the crane. The next day, the crane invited the fox to dinner. The fox readily agreed. When the fox reached the crane's house, the crane welcomed him warmly. Soon it was time for dinner, and the fox could smell something so tasty in the kitchen. The crane came out with 2 jugs full of soup. The jugs had a long, narrow neck. Neither could the fox get his snout in the jug, nor could his tongue reach the bottom. This irritated the fox a lot. The fox returned home hungry. Now he realized that he had been repaid for his behavior with the crane. The end, my dear friends.